Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
The Dash Mini Maker, the perfect addition to any kitchen. With its compact size and vibrant aqua color, this waffle maker is not only functional but also stylish. Whether you're craving classic waffles, mouth-watering hash browns, or even keto chaffles, this versatile appliance has got you covered. The possibilities are endless. The Dash Mini Maker is designed with convenience in mind. It's a 4-inch non-stick cooking surface. You can use it anywhere. It is so eco-friendly that you can set it up beautifully in your smaller kitchens, bedrooms, apartments, college dorms, and even on-the-go cooking in your camper. It is so compact that it can be stored neatly in a kitchen cabinet or small space when in use. Using the Dash Mini Maker is a breeze. The dual non-stick surfaces ensure even cooking and consistent results, delivering delicious golden waffles every time. And when you're done, cleanup is a snap thanks to the non-stick surfaces. This waffle maker makes a perfect gift for weddings, housewarmings, or even as a treat for yourself. Its small size takes up minimal counter space, and its sleek design and trendy aqua color will complement any kitchen decor. Plus, it accompanies a recipe guide, so you can begin cooking immediately and investigate a universe of culinary potential outcomes.
Product review number 2.
Bella Classic Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker with non-stick plates. Introducing the Bella Classic Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker, a must-have appliance for waffle lovers. With its sleek black design and versatile features, this waffle maker is perfect for creating scrumptious treats beyond just waffles. From fluffy pancakes to crispy hash browns, let your culinary creativity soar. One of the standout features of this waffle maker is its rotating function, which ensures even cooking and perfectly golden waffles every time. With 9 browning control settings, you can customize the level of crispiness to suit your preference. The cool touch handle makes flipping a breeze, adding to the convenience of the cooking process. Cleaning up after breakfast is a breeze with the Bella Waffle Maker. The non-stick plates and removable drip tray make it easy to remove any batter or crumbs, and they are dishwasher safe for added convenience. The smooth auto-lock cooking surfaces prevent messy spills, while the non-slip feet keep the waffle maker securely in place on your countertop. Not exclusively is this waffle creator practical, yet it likewise adds a rich touch to your kitchen's stylistic theme. Its compact size and folding handle make it easy to store away when not in use, saving valuable counter space. It's also a great gift idea and a perfect addition to your wedding registry.
Product review number 3.
Nostalgia My Mini Personal Electric Waffle Maker. Introducing the Nostalgia My Mini Personal Electric Waffle Maker, the perfect companion for quick and delicious meals anytime, anywhere. This little and lightweight waffle producer allows you to set up various delicious food sources, similar to French toast, barbecued cheddar, and brownies, and that's just the beginning, notwithstanding waffles. Using the Nostalgia My Mini Waffle Maker is a breeze. Plug it on pause for 1 to 3 minutes until it's preheated, and the marker light will tell you when it's prepared to cook. The dual-sided cooking surface provides quick and consistent results, and the non-stick surface makes cleaning up a breeze. Plus, the cool touch handles ensure your safety when opening and closing the lid. This waffle maker's compact size makes it a perfect fit for any kitchen, apartment, office, dorm, or even your camper/RV. It's lightweight and won't take up much counter space. It's also a fantastic gift idea for weddings, birthdays, holidays, or for college students living away from home.
Product review number 4.
Hamilton Beach Belgian Mini Waffle Maker with Shade Control. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Belgian Mini Waffle Maker with Shade Control. As a breakfast enthusiast, I can't help but rave about this compact and versatile waffle maker. Its stainless steel construction not only gives any kitchen a sleek look but also makes it exceptionally simple to clean. Creating delicious waffles has never been easier. The non-stick Belgian-style grids make 2 4-inch square waffles that are 1.1 inch deep, ensuring consistent and perfectly cooked results. The browning shade selector allows you to customize your waffles from light to brown and crispy, catering to everyone's preferences. Plus, with a power and preheat light indicator, you'll know exactly when it's hot and ready for your batter. But wait, there's more! You can also use it to make personalized keto chaffles or hash browns, expanding your culinary possibilities. And when it comes to storage, the lid locks for upright and compact storage in your cupboard or pantry.
Product review number 5.
The Chefman Double Waffle Maker, the ultimate time-saving solution for waffle lovers like me. With this innovative waffle maker, you can cook 2 delicious waffles at once, perfectly tailored to your individual preferences. The dual cooking action and 7 shade settings ensure that each waffle is cooked to perfection, from light and fluffy to golden and crispy. One of the standout features of this waffle maker is the anti-overflow mode, designed to prevent any batter spillage and ensure mess-free waffle making. No more time-consuming cleanups. The non-stick plates and exterior make it a breeze to wipe down with a damp sponge or rag, keeping your waffle maker looking brand new. In just minutes, you can whip up 2 6-inch waffles, making breakfast for one or a big batch for brunch. The ready indicator lights let you know when your waffles are perfectly browned and ready to enjoy. With its cool touch handle and non-slip feet, safety and stability are top priorities. The Chefman Double Waffle Maker is a game-changer in the world of waffle making. Experience the joy of perfectly cooked waffles in half the time, without the mess. Start your day off right with fluffy, mouth-watering waffles that will leave you craving for more.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.